So, hello friends, I am just today talking about reading. It's a habit which will just contribute massively in your self growth journey for your entire life. So, let's just start. So, number one thing is you don't just go and read or listen to an audiobook because audiobook can't give entire knowledge of a book. So let's say for example Atomic Habits. I just read, or you can say just listen to the audiobook with my ears, and I just feel that okay, it is something insightful, it may be helpful, but then I just take a hard copy of Atomic Habits book and I just start reading, and you will just be fascinating with the fact that I just got with two chapters that equivalent information with the entire audiobook of Atomic Habits from the Cuckoo FM. So you don't just go for an audiobook instead of a physical book, because physical book is more greater in terms of knowledge. Second thing is you don't just go and buy a book and you just want to finish it. The responsibility of a book is to finish. It is not the correct one, because it is not your responsibility to finish a book. The book is responsible to hold up your interest, and if you are not interested towards a book, you just skip it and go to another book. So let's say for my example, I am reading three books at a time now, and number one is Sapiens, number two is Atomic Habits, and number three is Subtle Art of Not Giving a In. And I am just reading them all simultaneously, because I feel that I am bored from Atomic Habits. I will jump to second and jump to third, because I have a lot of free time. And third thing is you have your own freedom, whatever you want to read. Like some of people start saying that okay, I want to read some fiction like Chetan Bhagat or anyone who do you like, but they feel like okay, I want to read fiction, but I feel that I need to read non-fiction, self-growth, and that is not really initially you should worry about, because at last you just want to build your habit. So initially, if you want to build your habit, just go with some fiction, and I would recommend Chetan Bhagat's three books, and that is trilogy of character Keshav Raj Purohit, that is The Girl in the Room 105, One Arranged Murder, and 400 Days. Three awesome books. You just read them and you will just feel okay and just satisfied and stimulated that wow, what was that? And you will feel that reading is not boring, but instead it's just something which makes you interesting and makes you very satisfied. So that's for the day, and I hope you will like it, because it will going to be without background music, without basic editing, because of some reasons. Thank you.